Hello guys, quick video. You might have seen these before. These are the iron sights I made recently, which are essentially a 3D printed version of the Worker Seagull iron sights, the iron sights that come in the box with the Worker Seagull. So I made a 3D printed version. There's 3 separate versions of this part right here. So you can either use heat set inserts or M3 hex nuts, or just thread the screws directly into plastic. The rear iron sight uses 2 M3 by 30mm screws, and the front sight uses 1 M3 by 30mm screw. And you can now go and download this and print it yourself. I have put it up on my printables page. You can see over here, I got a nice picture of the HPA thing, got some other stuff. Here's the thing. So yeah, go download it. I will put the link to this in the video description, and yeah, go check it out. It's pretty good. I used these at Maryland Mayhem 2025, and I also gave away a handful of them at my booth, and they worked really well. So I think that they're ready for release, and yeah, go download it. It's good. Yeah, right. That's all.